So you post a video saying put 50 Rand or put $10 and it will become $1,000. People join, people flood, people will just join, and then you will see a lot of money. But the only problem is that the only person who's going to make that money is your upliner. But chances are you will join late and you will lose your money. And then you post a video saying, guys, learn how to trade Forex, learn how to trade crypto, learn digital marketing, because guys, it doesn't work having to go to people one by one and recommend a product. But then if you post online, you are able to tap into different countries, different types of people, and you are able to promote your business. Welcome to my channel. My name is LindyShirries. In this channel, we make money online. We do crypto, stocks, and Forex. I can boldly say Forex because now EasyFXAcademy offers Forex. I do not need to go and learn. I can learn with you guys. With just $50 or $30, you can learn the skills. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do email lists. So email list, it is when you send emails to people so that they can get whatever you are selling. So there are different tools which you can use, like your MailChimp, like your Applet, like your AVBOB, like your MailerLite. So there's so many different companies that are offering tools to assist you to send emails to a bulk of people. So all you need to do is just to get the emails, and then once you have those emails, you can send promoting whatever project you want. Today I am going to use EasyFXAcademy. I am an Africa representative for this company. It is an online training platform where you can earn and learn. Just a few announcements before we start with today's video. I do offer one-on-one classes where you can just have a one-on-one session with me where I actually listen to what you want to achieve online, and then we can structure and plan your business according to what you want. So for example, guys, if you want to start a YouTube channel, then I can assist you until we get to a point where your YouTube channel has started and you are able to continue with that. If you want crypto, then I will follow that route. If you want to be a blogger, then I will follow that route and guide you based on what you want. The second announcement is that EasyFXAcademy, it is a platform that actually teaches us how to do crypto, Forex, and also digital marketing. And these are the most important skills that you need in this day and age, because crypto bull run is coming and we do need to know which airdrops to buy, guys. The tokens that are cheap and we can make money when bull run starts. So we do need to know all of that, and there are signals that are sent from there. You can basically learn. There's already videos that are uploaded. You can learn from that as well. You can also learn how to promote using WhatsApp, TikTok, Facebook, things that we promote online. You can just learn from EasyFXAcademy, and I do say that people need to learn how to do these things themselves. That's why we're getting scammed, because we do not know the skills, and EasyFXAcademy is offering that. So if you want to join that, there is a link on the video description. I am at the moment in my team looking for country representative. I do have one in India, I need one in China, and all the African countries. So if you want to be in my team, and you will get support from me, and then as we get to a point where we are making serious money, I'll start coming to your countries where I will do presentations. So Nigeria, I still need one. South Africa, I still need one. Lesotho, Namibia, Botswana, all these African countries, you guys can join, including China and other international countries, if you do want to be part of it. So that's the second announcement. So yeah, guys, let's just go to today's video so I can show you how to do your mail list, how to create one, how to promote to many people. Just to note, where do you get these emails? You check your friends and then you add these emails in a list on AVBOB. That's the tool I'm going to use. Remember, there's many tools. I already stated those, but the one I'm going to use for today's video, it is AVBOB. And I will just show you how to add, how to create your message, how to create a broadcast where you basically send to all of them personalized. So you see these emails that you get where they will say, hi Lindy, and then they'll be selling something. And then when you click, it takes you to that project that you are promoting. So this doesn't matter if you're promoting EasyFXAcademy, you could be promoting Live Good. Whatever project you are promoting, you can use email list. So yeah, guys, let me show you quickly how to create email list. Let's go to my laptop. So first thing, you do need to create an account with AVBOB. So you can choose whatever company you want to use, and I am using AVBOB. So I already have an account, so it does allow me to create up to, I think, 70 people that I can load in my list. So from there, if I want more, then I'll have to pay. So I'm gonna use the free version. So first thing, when you click there at the top, it says list. You can create a new list or you can manage an existing one. So I already have one. I'll just click the Live Good Masterclass, and then I can change the name of this one if I want, but it doesn't matter what name it uses. So when you click it, and then it will show you this page where you can just give it a name. So I'm going to say make money online, and then give it a description if you want, but those are not so important. So now I do need to add, so I'm just hiding the names of the people who are here and their email address, because according to Poppy Act, I'm not allowed to show people's account. So now we go to messages. So this is where you can basically send an email, and then it will be distributed to those people that you have added in your email list. And then you can also create the list, see list option. You can see reports. You can also do campaigns, and then you can also do pages and forms using AVBOB. But then let's just go to broadcast as well. So broadcast is when you actually send the email to many people. So you can do this. So some people do buy emails from different people, where you get an email list and then you can just buy it. So now you click create a message, and then you can choose smart design, you can choose plain. I'm just going to use drag and drop so I can create what I want to create. So let's just continue, guys. So this is the first page, and as you can see, I can delete that, but then I do use artificial intelligence to create the words that I use in all my social media posts, or even here, guys. So I go to ChatGPT and say social media posts on land and earn forex, crypto, and digital marketing for only $50. So it has recommended this. So you do read this and you remove whatever you do not want, but this was actually perfect for me, so I copied everything. So I do need that. So let's just delete the first information that was sent, and then I'm just going to click the image part, because I do need to add a logo of EasyFXAcademy. Remember, whatever project you are promoting, you can use this. So I got the logo now. So I do need to make it smaller. As it is big, it will take the entire page, and this is just an image. And guys, you can do even more here. So I'm aligning on the right hand side, and then I'm just going to add text now on the left hand side, so that it looks neater, guys. So you can do basically whatever you want to do. If you are good with design or you're good with presentations, this is going to look even more better. That's my weak point, but then let's just do our best, and this will be my email. So now I'm just aligning everything, removing the hashtags, and then sign up now and take must be at the bottom as well, so that people can just click. So I'm just going to remove things that I do not need. So if you're posting this on social media, ChatGPT also add hashtags, so you don't need to remove this. But because it's an email, I know who I'm sending to, and then I will do that. And then the next thing that you do, you just check your email and see if everything's fine. So on the subject, you do want to put something at the top, and you can also personalize it to say, Dear Lindy, dear, so whoever you have added the name and the surname, it will give name only, or even the surname. It will take that from when you added this person on the email list. So I'm adding the subject, and then now when you click personalize, I'm just going to add an emoji first, and yeah, money emoji, because we want to make money, guys. So by the way, EasyFXAcademy, you can learn crypto, forex, digital marketing, and guys, gone are those days where we get scammed. So now I'm copying my referral link for EasyFXAcademy. I'm just going to click where it says click here, and then I'm just going to put the link, so that when a person click at this, it will take them to my promotion. But I will show you that later, guys, so that you see how I actually send this email, how a person will view it. So now when we get to this point, I realize that I didn't say hi. I mean, that's rude. I need to add hi somewhere. So I'm just going to add hi, and the name will be at the top. So you can also put the name of the person here. and then yeah, it will work like that, guys. So I'm just going to try. So you can change it the way you want it. You can add social media pages, and then now we just click a preview to see how it will look. So this is how this email will look when a person sees it. So you can send a text message, as you can see on the right hand side. If I go okay, just go to personalize, so that you can see how to personalize. So you click personalize. Do you want to add their surname or their name? That is, if you've added their name, it will say hi Lindy, or if you didn't add their name, then it won't say Lindy, or it'll just be blank. Or maybe you can use email address and just say hi email address, but it doesn't look proper. So add the names if you can. And then I'm just going to put this in front so that a person will see their name. So those tend to do well. So now this is how it looks. So when you go to preview now, it looks like this preview, and I can send a test email. So if I go to my email, I'll see how a person is going to view and see. Let me go to my Gmail, and then we'll see how the email. So can you see, this is the email. So this is what they're going to see, and then this is what they're going to, even the subject, and then the name. So can you see Lindy? I needed to put an exclamation mark, but then you get how to create this. So this is what the person is going to see. But then I want to show you guys that when they click this, click here, it will take them to the project that I'm promoting. So if it's Live Good, you will do Live Good. If it's this one is EasyFXAcademy, they will do that, and then it has come with my referral ID. So can you see, guys, if you want to edit, you can just go back to edit. So now I'm just going to schedule it and then click send immediately. So guys, you just do it like that, and then this email will be sent to people. So you can see it, how it's going to be viewed on mobile, on desktop, plain test. So desktop is how it's going to look, because I am using my desktop. So when you click send message now, it will go and send. It does take like 5-10 minutes because it is sending an email to a lot of people. So you just need to be patient, and then you will see that it's orange, busy sending the emails. And then after, you will get a report saying these were the emails that were sent, and these are the people who have opened the email so far. So it does track all of that, which is good, guys. So as your email list grows and you feel like you want to grow it further, then you can start doing the paid version one, where you pay money to add 100,000, 200,000, even 1 million people. And guys, it does become expensive. So for now, I'm just going to use the free version. So can you see the final email? Lindy, Len, and Forex. And then that's how you do it, guys. So yeah, I do recommend, guys, that you do email marketing, and then as well you do join EasyFXAcademy and learn how to promote, how to trade crypto, where to get airdrops, so that when the bull run comes, we do make money. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and share this video with many people. Thank you.